I have provided the questions. You see question number 1. Clausius-Caprion's equation. Clausius-Caprion's form actually the differential form of this equation is what? G of non-pressure P is equal to delta H upon R D of 1 upon P. Right? Okay. So I will say the integrating from the top and bottom. So integrating between the top and bottom, what I will get? Ln of P top upon P bottom, okay, is equal to delta H by R 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. Right? This thing. Okay. So I will say the pressure difference due to height. Pressure difference due to height. Due to height will be what? P bottom is equal to P top plus rho GH. Okay, density, expression due to gravity and the height. So substitute in the logarithm. Substituting in the logarithm, what I will get? Ln of P top upon P top plus rho GH, okay, is equal to delta H by R 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. Okay. I know that I will use one thing, that is ln of A upon B is equal to minus of ln of B by A, right? So I will use this. So we get from the bottom, that is minus ln of 1 plus rho GH upon P top is equal to minus del H by R 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. Okay, this is very good question. So I will cancel out the minus signs over here and here. So what I will get? Ln of 1 plus rho GH by the P top is equal to del H by R, because minus sign has been cancelled. So it becomes 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. Okay. So I will take the smallest approximation using small x approximation. Small x approximation rho GH by P top is very less than 1. So I will use one log property, that is ln of 1 plus x is approximately equal to x. I will use this property over here. So then I will get rho GH by P top is equal to your del H by R 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. Okay, P bottom. Now this thing becomes your H value, that is delta H by P top upon R rho B, okay, and 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. And here all the values are given also for the numerical. But I have eliminating the density. Eliminating the density. What I will get? I will use ideal gas in air. Using ideal gas in air. Okay. So Pb is equal to nRT, and density of air is what? Density of air is equal to your ρ is equal to mass upon volume, and this is equal to nm upon V. So if I am saying m is equal to molar mass, m is equal to molar mass of air, right? Molar mass of air, then I can substitute n by V is equal to P by RT. So I am obtaining rho is equal to PVM by R. Okay, this is very easy. Now substituting everything in the expression, okay? Substituting this material in this expression. So since I am using this over here, okay? So we get H is equal to del H by mg, and P average 1 upon P top minus 1 upon P bottom. Okay, where my P average is equal to 373 Kelvin. Now see from numerical calculation. Calculation given quantities that delta H is equal to 1000 calorie per mole, or I can use 4184 joules per mole, right? Your M value is equal to 0.029 kg per mole, right? G value is your 9.8 meter per second square, right? And T average is your 373 Kelvin. So I will use everything and then I will put this in the value. Get as 1 upon 368 minus 1 upon 378 is equal to 7.189 into 10 to the power minus 3, this part, and we get then H is equal to nothing but 4184 divided by 0.029 into 9.8, okay, and then multiplied by this one, okay, that is 373 into 7.18 into 10 to the power minus 1. So calculating, you get 395 approximately, okay, you will get 395 meter approximately. Put it down fast. So this is a very good questions of statistical mechanics, or